Hey guys, it's me Z. Welcome to the Adventures of Z, S, K, and F. Welcome to episode 1, the Burping Contest. Contestant number 1, F, K, then S, and then yours truly, Z.
Hi guys, it's me F. Well, I'm in the burping contest. Here I go.
Hey, I'm K. I'm in the burping contest. You know? Bah! Hi, I'm S. You know what? I'm in the burping contest. Here I go. Burp. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me Z, and I'm in the Burping Contest. Well, you guys might wish me good luck, I guess, because you guys love me. Okay, anyway, so here I go. I'm trying to get some air right now, guys. So, it's not working, so I'm trying my meditation. Ow, it's not working right now either. So, my meditation's not working, so I'm just gonna go for it. I think I use the bathroom. Anyway, so, thanks for watching our videos, and the winner is pretty obvious. No one. Hey guys, it's me Z. Guess what? I'm in the burping contest, and I think I'm gonna win. So here I go. Wish me good luck, I guess. Trying to get some air right now. It's not coming. I'm doing meditation. It's not working, so I'm gonna just. Okay, anyway, my laugh is really weird. Okay,